If you have ever developed a full stack app, you know that integrating a payment processing system into the app is a nightmare. I've been developing apps for the past couple of years with AI coding, and asking the AI agent to actually go and do it without giving it any kind of guidelines, it just messes up the whole thing, because there are so many corner cases, and payment processing is something that you don't want to mess up because you're dealing with money. So fortunately, Claude Code has a support for it, and it's very easy if you're using CLI, but if you're using Claude for desktop, it's a little tricky. So I'm in Claude Code right now, and I click here at my profile, and I go to settings, and then I look for the connectors here, right? So if you go here, you will find Stripe listed in the officially supported connectors list. Now let me explain this. There are actually two different things. MCP for Stripe, it actually lets AI agent know how to access your Stripe account and perform operations on it using the tools that it comes with. That's what MCP is. So it's a bunch of tools which are provided by Stripe that your AI coder could use in order to perform operations. For example, to create the products, to create the pricing, to create the subscriptions, etc. So that's what the MCP is. And that's exactly what we are going to be setting up using connectors. So if you don't find it here, you can just go to browse connectors, and then you can search for Stripe, and it's going to be here. So you click on it, and then you click on the connect button here. And it's saying that I'm going to take you to a Stripe website. At this point, a browser window should open up like so. And since I'm already logged in and I've done this before, it's actually jumping straight into the connection part. It may actually ask you to authenticate first. So go ahead and log in. And then once you do that, it will show you your default account here, and you can switch if you need to. And this is where you're going to basically tell Claude Code that, okay, use this account for a Stripe payment integration in your app. So make sure you have selected the right account. And then one thing that you want to do is that you don't want to leave it at the live account, because you don't want Claude Code to actually muck around with your live account. I mean, if it is new, then it probably doesn't matter. But if it is not new and you're already having customers and the orders in there, you really don't want to let it play with it, because it can mess up, and it's going to be a disaster. So what you need to do is you need to click on it, very important, and you need to select the Sandbox version of it. So make sure it says, your account Sandbox. You can't read it here, but it's saying Sandbox here. And since it's a Sandbox, you should just click on all right permissions, and that should do it. You don't have to worry about anything, because, after all, it's a sandbox, so nobody's going to be affected by if something goes wrong. So you authorize it at this point, and then you come back to Claude Code connectors right here, and you will see Stripe listed as one of the connectors in your Claude Code account. So that means that now Claude has the capability of accessing Stripe. This was the easy part. This just means that it can basically talk to your Stripe account and make changes to it, but it doesn't still know what are the best practices to do it, how to implement the payment system in your app, how to implement the subscription system. All these guidelines need to be installed, and they come in the form of skills. So for that, if you go to skills and you try to do browse, and then you type Stripe just like before, you are not going to find it there. So there are no Stripe skills as such. Because of that, we will have to do some tricky things to get it to install. So what you do is you go to this GitHub repository, which is an official GitHub repository from Stripe, and it has all the AI related stuff. And one of the things that it has is the skills right here. And it has like 4 skills here, but we actually really need, most of the time, just the Stripe best practices. So we need to install this skill on your Claude Code for desktop. So what you need to do is to go to the repository page. And if you have Git installed, then you can just git clone. But if you don't worry about it. You just need to download the zip. Once you have downloaded the zip, you just extract all, open up the extracted folder, and go into, this is the same repository that we downloaded. It's the exact same code. And go and look for the skills directory, just like we saw over there. And you will see Stripe best practices right here. At this point, you right click on it and zip it by selecting compress zip folder. And you got this right here, right? I'm on Windows, but if you're on Mac or Linux or somewhere else, you need to use your method of zipping up a file. And then we are going to note down the location of the file. We're going to come back to Claude Desktop, go back to settings, come to skills, and then we are going to click on add, and we are going to say upload a skill, because it doesn't have it already, right? So we then go to that folder and select that zip file. You cannot just select the regular unzipped folder. You have to select the zip file. We select that, and it says that it uploaded it, and you can see it in the list of skills which are installed. So at this point, if you click on it, it will tell you all the different guidelines that this skill has, and all the reference guidelines for different things. Like for billing, it tells the AI agent, this is how you're going to bill. This is how you're going to connect. to Stripe. This is how you're going to handle the payments and all this. So at this point, your Claude Code is going to be an expert in integrating your app with Stripe. And all you need to do is to refer to the Stripe skill that we just deployed, and then say something like, use this skill and the Stripe MCP server and integrate Stripe into this app. And boom, it's going to go and integrate your app with the Stripe one shot and perfectly. For more AI videos, like and subscribe.